Have you ever considered the Earth as a living, breathing organism? A compelling thought, isn't it? This is not just a whimsical idea, but a profound theory that has sparked curiosity and debate among scientists and thinkers alike. Imagine our planet with its vast oceans, lush forests and arid deserts, not as a mere collection of diverse ecosystems, but as a complex, interconnected living entity. Now, this concept might seem a bit outlandish at first, but let's delve a bit deeper. Think of your own body, how the heart, lungs and brain work together, each performing their unique functions, yet interconnected in a way that sustains life. Now, apply this same concept to Earth. Consider the forests as the planet's lungs, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. The rivers and oceans can be thought of as the circulatory system, distributing water and nutrients around the globe. The soil, teeming with microorganisms, acts like the digestive system, breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients. This concept of Earth as a living entity is not new. In fact, it dates centuries, found in the philosophies of indigenous cultures around the world that viewed the Earth as a living being. But in the mid-20th century, this idea took on a scientific form with the proposal of the Gaia Theory. Coined by the British scientist James Lovelock and popularized by American microbiologist Lynn Margulis, the Gaia Theory suggests that the Earth and its biological systems behave as a single, self-regulating entity, maintaining the conditions necessary for life. Just like a living organism, the Earth adjusts to changes, maintains its balance, and strives for survival. So the next time you marvel at a breathtaking sunset or feel the cool breeze on your face, remember you might be experiencing the breath and heartbeat of a living planet. Intrigued? So were a group of scientists who gave this idea a name, the Gaia Theory. Continue this journey of discovery with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Tales of the Unexpected, for more intriguing stories. The Gaia Theory isn't new. In fact, it's been around for decades. It was during the swinging 60s that this radical idea first made its appearance, challenging our understanding of the Earth and its ecosystems. Imagine you're in the shoes of James Lovelock, a British scientist working for NASA. It's the mid-20th century and you're tasked with figuring out if there's life on Mars. But instead of focusing on the red planet, you start to ponder about our own, the blue one. You start to see Earth not as a mere collection of ecosystems, but as a superorganism, a living entity in its own right. This eureka moment led to the birth of the Gaia Theory. Named after the ancient Greek goddess of the Earth, the Gaia Theory asserts that our planet behaves as a single, self-regulating system, with physical and biological components interacting in a complex web. But Lovelock didn't champion this theory alone. He had a formidable ally in the form of Lynn Margulis, a pioneering American biologist. Margulis was known for her work on symbiosis, the idea that different organisms can live together, benefiting each other in the process. She saw the Earth as a grand symbiotic system, where everything from the smallest bacteria to the largest whale plays a role in maintaining the planet's balance. Together, Lovelock and Margulis developed the Gaia Theory, weaving together strands of biology, geology, chemistry, and more. They painted a picture of a planet where life doesn't just inhabit the Earth, but fundamentally shapes it. They proposed that everything on Earth, the atmosphere, the oceans, the soil, and all life forms, work together like a giant planetary-scale orchestra, each player contributing to the harmony of the whole. These proponents of Gaia Theory saw the Earth as a complex, self-regulating system. The theory was met with skepticism and criticism, but it also sparked a revolution in the way we perceive our planet and our place within it. But more on that later. For now, let's dive deeper into the mechanisms that drive this grand planetary symphony. How does the Earth self-regulate? Let's dive into some examples. Imagine Earth as a giant, complex organism. Like any organism, it has systems in place to maintain balance. These systems work together to keep our planet habitable for life as we know it. Take the carbon cycle, for instance. This is a process where carbon, a common element in our atmosphere, soil and bodies, moves between the Earth and the atmosphere. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the air during photosynthesis, and animals eat these plants, taking in the carbon. When plants and animals die, they return carbon to the soil, which can be released back into the atmosphere through decomposition or volcanic activity. This constant cycle helps regulate the amount of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere, preventing it from getting too high or too low. Another prime example is the regulation of ocean salinity. Now you might be wondering, why does the saltiness of the ocean matter? Well, the saltiness of the sea influences the circulation of ocean currents, which in turn affects our climate. When water evaporates from the ocean, it leaves behind salts, making the remaining water saltier. This salty water is denser and sinks, driving the circulation of ocean currents. This process, known as thermohaline circulation, helps distribute heat around the planet, playing a vital role in maintaining our climate. And these are just two examples. Earth's self-regulation extends to countless other processes, from the nitrogen cycle that enriches our soils to the water cycle that distributes fresh water around the globe. These processes may seem complicated, but they're essentially Earth's way of taking care of itself, like a living, breathing organism. They work in harmony to create the conditions necessary for life, constantly adjusting and adapting to changes. While these processes may seem simple, they're crucial to maintaining life as we know it. As with any groundbreaking theory, the Gaia Theory has faced its share of controversy and criticism. One of the most common criticisms is that the Gaia Theory anthropomorphizes the Earth, implying a consciousness or purpose where there is none. Critics argue that it's misleading to describe the Earth as a living organism, since it doesn't reproduce or have a metabolism in the way we traditionally understand these terms. Another point of contention is the lack of precise mechanism. The Gaia Theory suggests that the Earth's systems work together to maintain conditions suitable for life, but it's less clear on how this self-regulation happens. Some argue that it's just a result of Darwinian natural selection at work rather than a planetary-scale coordination. Further, many scientists feel the Gaia Theory lacks empirical evidence. While it's true that the Earth's systems interact in complex ways, critics question whether this is proof of a self-regulating superorganism or simply the result of many independent processes interacting. They argue for more rigorous testing and empirical support before accepting the Gaia Theory as a valid scientific theory. There's also the issue of teleology, or the suggestion of purpose or direction. The Gaia Theory seems to imply that the Earth is working towards a specific goal or state, which is a concept that many scientists find uncomfortable. The idea of purpose is generally avoided in science because it suggests a planner or designer, which can't be proven or disproven. Finally, there's the criticism that the Gaia Theory can lead to complacency about environmental issues. If the Earth is a self-regulating organism, some might interpret this to mean that it can heal itself regardless of human impact. This, of course, is a dangerous misconception that could undermine efforts to address climate change and other environmental challenges. Despite these criticisms, the Gaia Theory has had a profound impact on how we view our planet. Now, you may be wondering, what does the Gaia Theory mean for us today? Well, let's dive right into it. The Gaia Theory, with its portrayal of Earth as a self-regulating entity, has profound implications for our current environmental challenges. As we grapple with issues like climate change, deforestation, and pollution, this theory pushes us to rethink our relationship with the planet. Take climate change, for instance. Under the Gaia lens, the Earth's climate isn't just a separate entity we influence, but an interconnected system we're a part of. It's a system that's delicately balanced, and our actions, whether it's burning fossil fuels or cutting down forests, can disrupt this balance. This disruption can lead to consequences like rising temperatures and extreme weather events, which in turn affect us. Then there's the issue of biodiversity loss. The Gaia Theory highlights the importance of every organism in maintaining the planet's equilibrium. From the smallest microbe to the largest whale, each plays a role in our planet's health. As we continue to lose species at an alarming rate, we're not just losing beautiful and fascinating creatures, we're also disrupting our planet's balance. But it's not all doom and gloom. The Gaia Theory also offers a new perspective on how we can address these challenges. If we see ourselves as part of this interconnected system, we can start to make choices that support rather than disrupt it. This could mean anything from reducing our carbon footprints to protecting biodiversity. In essence, the Gaia Theory reframes our view of the Earth. It's not just a passive stage on which life happens, but a dynamic, living system that we're a part of. This perspective can empower us to make more sustainable choices and to treat our planet with the respect and care it deserves. The Gaia Theory reminds us that we are part of a larger interconnected system, and our actions have far-reaching consequences. Speaking of interconnected systems, we are all part of a network of knowledge, curiosity, and exploration. If you enjoyed this video and are intrigued by the unexpected tales of our world, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Tales of the Unexpected. By doing so, you're not only supporting us, but also embarking on a journey of discovery that extends beyond what meets the eye. Our channel is dedicated to unveiling the mysteries of the universe, exploring the depths of the oceans and traversing the expanse of our planet, all while sitting comfortably in your home. And remember, the more we learn, the more we can contribute positively to our world. So why not take a step further into the realm of the unexpected? Your subscription helps us continue to bring these fascinating stories to you, and it means you'll always be the first to know when we release a new video. So join us as we delve into the incredible, the mysterious, and the unexpected. Stay curious, stay unexpected. See you in the next video.